Hello everyone, this is the device for a hot water or water heater. Okay, what are the device inside? Okay, I will have to find what is the device inside, okay? But I have an example here. That's why we need to see this one. This is the one device inside, like this. This is a rod, like these three. But we will check pull, okay, and we will see this one. Okay, we will go up, okay, and this is a thermostat here. They have a adjustment here, this color red. From negative to positive, we need the going to positive. That's why it will become the water hot. Okay, and now we will go inside here like this and push and little bit from here. Okay, now, and this device is going here for upside, but after that we will connect here the neutral and the line. Okay, that's why this is the very important, this thermostat. The water will become hot. Okay, thank you for watching and enjoy. Thank you so much.